The full-size truck market is entering a new era, one defined by bold engineering choices, renewed competition, and honestly, a surprising twist that many thought was fading away. While other brands push toward downsized turbo engines or full electrification, GMC has doubled down on raw power for its next-generation workhorse. The automaker has officially unveiled a new Powerhouse V8 engine design for the 2027 GMC Sierra, and the reaction across the automotive world has been explosive. Enthusiasts are celebrating, experts are analyzing, and competitors are quietly taking notes. This engine isn't just a small upgrade, it represents a major strategic shift by GM and reinforces that traditional muscle still has a future in America's most competitive segment. In this video, we'll explore everything we know about the new V8, its performance gains, engineering secrets, expert opinions, and how it positions the 2027 Sierra as a serious threat in the truck wars of the late 2020s. The return of the big V8. GMC's decision to bring a new high-output V8 to the 2027 Sierra didn't come out of nowhere, but it did surprise many industry insiders. For years, rumors circulated that GM would eventually phase out large displacement engines in favor of hybrids, turbos, or advanced electric systems. Yet, GM has taken a different approach, balancing electrification with a renewed commitment to traditional combustion power. According to internal sources and engineering leaks, the new V8 is designed with three core goals. 1. Deliver class-leading horsepower and torque. 2. Improve durability for heavy-duty workloads. 3. Stay compliant with 2027 emissions regulations. This mix of power and compliance has forced GM to rethink its V8 architecture from the ground up. The result is a power plant that isn't just stronger, it's smarter, cleaner, and more efficient than any V8 GMC has ever built. The heart of the beast. What makes the new V8 special? While GMC has not shared every number publicly, multiple reliable sources and supplier leaks reveal several exciting engineering features behind the upcoming engine. 1. Larger displacement with next-gen technology. Experts believe the engine will sit somewhere around 6.6 liters for gasoline versions or 6.8 plus liters for a newly developed high-output variant. This aligns with GM's strategy to maintain large engines while modernizing their internals. Think of it as a classic V8 evolved for the future. 2. Dual overhead CAM-DU-C architecture possible. There is growing speculation supported by engineering insiders that GMC may finally introduce a dock design to replace the long-used pushrod setup. A dock layout would unlock higher RPM capability, more precise valve timing, better airflow, increased efficiency at both low and high load. If confirmed, this would be one of the largest mechanical architecture shifts in GM truck history. Number 3. New combustion and cooling technology. To meet 2027 emission requirements while increasing output, GMC engineers are reportedly using high-precision direct fuel injection, a redesigned variable oil pump, stronger cylinder liners, a more advanced thermal management system optimized for towing, and reduced internal friction coatings. These changes allow the V8 to stay cooler, stay stronger, and respond more aggressively under heavy load. For expected output, a true monster in its class. Early estimates from powertrain specialists place the output range at 460 to 500 plus horsepower, 500 to 550 pound-feet of torque. This would instantly put the Sierra at the top of the naturally aspirated truck power rankings, surpassing even Ford's 5.0 Coyote V8 and edging close to Ram's discontinued Hemi power levels. So, why did GMC decide to go big again? Well, let's dig into some expert insights. Truck engineers and analysts have weighed in on why GMC is pushing a powerhouse V8 at a time when, honestly, a lot of automakers are pulling back. Here's what they're saying. Number 1, truck buyers still trust big V8s. According to automotive analyst Evan Marshall, V8 engines still represent a major psychological and functional advantage in the truck market. You know, towing confidence, long-term durability, and throttle response. These are all areas where naturally aspirated V8s really maintain an edge. GM knows their core buyers want muscle, and frankly, they don't want to give that up. That's why GMC believes investing in an advanced V8 will pay off, not just in sales, but also in brand loyalty. Expert insight number 2, new emissions tech made it possible. Powertrain engineer Dr. Carl Simmons, who previously worked on GM propulsion systems, explains, "We now have catalytic and combustion calibration tools that simply didn't exist 10 or 15 years ago. GM can build a 500 horsepower V8 today that runs cleaner than a 350 horsepower engine from 2010. This is crucial for meeting strict EPA standards without sacrificing performance. Moving on, expert insight number 3, hybrids and V8s can coexist. Industry strategist Lena Ortiz believes the V8 is only part of a diversified powertrain strategy. GM understands the future is mixed. Some customers will want hybrid assist, some will want diesel, some will still want a big V8. The Sierra lineup is being designed to offer every option. This means the 2027 Sierra lineup could include the new Powerhouse V8, an updated 3.0 to L Duramax Diesel, a hybrid V8 or hybrid turbo variant, and the upcoming electric Sierra EV. Rather than replacing the V8, GMC is expanding the menu. The 2027 GMC Sierra is built to dominate towing and payload. One of the biggest strengths of the new V8 engine is how it enhances the Sierra's real-world capability. We're talking towing power that could eclipse the competition. Early towing estimates suggest the 2027 Sierra could pull up to 14,000 plus pounds for half-ton models and 17,000 plus pounds for heavy-duty variants equipped with the new V8. This places the Sierra directly against the F-150's 5.0-liter towing numbers and potentially ahead of Ram's next-generation truck. Now, let's talk about better transmission pairing. The new V8 will work alongside an updated 10-speed automatic featuring reinforced internals, smoother programming and wider gear ratios for both acceleration and highway efficiency. Truck testers who have seen early prototype data say the first to third gear acceleration is noticeably stronger compared to the current Sierra, with improved efficiency despite bigger power. GMC insiders claim the new V8 may deliver 1 to 2 miles per gallon gains in mixed driving, and stronger fuel economy under towing loads. This comes from a combination of friction reduction, smarter cylinder deactivation, and advanced thermal controls. Interior tech and chassis upgrades are set to match the new power. Because the 2027 Sierra is receiving such a major engine update, GMC is also rolling out several key upgrades to the platform itself. First, stronger frame steel for enhanced payload. The Sierra's chassis is expected to adopt higher tensile strength steel, redesigned crossmembers, and improved mounting points for heavy loads. This ensures that the engine's added power can be fully utilized without structural flex. Second, new cooling and airflow systems. With a high-output V8, cooling becomes critical. GMC is introducing a wider front grille, dual-stage cooling fans, and a larger transmission cooler. These upgrades help maintain reliability under extreme load, whether towing uphill in high heat or hauling long distances. Third, updated interior tech for 2027. The Sierra's interior will include a new 15-inch center touchscreen, a fully reconfigurable digital cluster, improved trailering cameras, and enhanced Super Cruise towing capability. This tech push helps the Sierra compete with the F-150's Blue Cruise and Ram's UK Connect Next suite. Comparing the new Sierra V8 to Ford and Ram, it's important to understand just how big this move really is. To get the full picture, we need to compare GMC's new V8 to what the competition is doing. Looking at Ford's strategy, they're leaning heavily on turbo V6 EcoBoost engines.